10.
Grizzly bear. Grizzly bears are one of the most powerful and enormous creatures on this planet. They usually weigh up to 350 kilograms and can be 2.5 meters high. They have the strength to lift even a mass over 0.8 times their own weight. Mostly found in the woods across Canada and USA, grizzly bear is a very aggressive animal species, which can get angry very quickly. Its 6-inch claws act as a deadly weapon for any threat that it encounters, and a bite of force up to 1,200 pounds per square inch is significant enough to shatter even something like a bowling ball in its mouth.
9.
Tiger. Tiger is the mixture of power, bravery, and agility. It is the largest and strongest member of the cat family. It weighs around 306 kilograms and lives in the woods and grasslands of Asia. From the family of 10 species, the Serbian tiger is the biggest one and can be 2.3 meters in length. Tigers have one of the strongest jaws in the animal kingdom and bear a total of 30 teeth in its mouth. It has 0.1 meter long upper canines, which it uses to tear flesh and hunt its prey. After killing, they can easily carry a body twice their own body weight 10 feet up a tree.
8.
Elephant. Elephants are the biggest animals on the planet. They can range from 2 meters to 5 meters in height and can weigh up to 7 tons. From the 2 species of African bush elephant and African forest elephant, the bush elephant is the largest mammal in the world. They have a very long and strong trunk, which helps them lift heavy weights up to 200 kilograms and above. Also, their long and strong tusks are a symbol of their strength and dominance. These tusks can be 2.5 meters long and 45 kilograms in weight, which helps it defend itself and its territory against other predators.
7.
Rhinoceros beetle. Lifting objects up to 850 times its own body weight, the rhinoceros beetle is the world's second strongest animal in the world. Rhinoceros beetles are the largest of the beetle species in the world and can have a length of up to 6 inches. 2 horns of a male rhinoceros beetle distinguishes it from the rest of the family. One horn is on its head, and the other is on the thorax. The horns look identical to that of a rhinoceros, hence the name. While living in the forest, these horns help the rhinoceros beetle to move easily and to fight other beetles to attract the females. 6. Eagle. Strength doesn't have to be bound to the land. Birds are also one of the strongest creatures in the world. From the bird family, eagle is the most powerful flying being on Earth. With its long beak, strong feet, and sharp claws, eagle has the ability to lift and fly with a weight of up to 4 times its own body weight. Its usual preys include foxes, fawns, and wildcats. There are 60 species of eagles in the world. They have the strength to fly at an altitude of 10,000 to 150,000 feet for longer periods as compared to other birds. They also have a strong vision, which helps them spot their prey from long distances. 5. Musk ox. Oxen, also known as bullock in some countries, have been an old draft animal for centuries. It can have a body weight up to 640 kilograms and can be 2.5 meters high. They are fairly large in size and have the strength to carry weight up to 1.5 times their own body weight for longer periods of time as compared to other animals of its kind. They are usually used by farmers for plowing fields and pulling carts and are known for their calm nature. Four, leafcutter ant. When it comes to strength, size is not always the issue. The leafcutter is one of the strongest creatures in the world, while being just 0.21 meters in length. This small living thing is capable of carrying objects that are 50 times heavier than its own body weight. Its powerful jaws allow it to carry leaves from one place to another over long distances. They may be small in size, but nature has blessed them with some remarkable gifts. A leafcutter can vibrate its jaws at the rate of 1,000 times per second. This helps it to shake, pluck, and move leaves and other large objects from one place to another. 3. Gorilla. Gorillas are the closest resembling living things on the earth to human beings. They can have a weight up to 200 kilograms and can reach a height of 1.75 meters. As compared to human beings, gorillas have larger body and possess greater strength. They can lift heavy weights up to 10 times their own body weight and have a wider arm span up to 2.6 meters. They walk on their knuckles to balance the weight of their body, which makes their arms strong for gripping. An adult gorilla is 15 to 20 times stronger than a healthy adult human being. 2. Dung beetle. Dung beetle is the strongest and most powerful living thing on this planet. This half-inch long living thing is capable of lifting objects of up to 1,141 times its own body weight. It consists of 3 species in its family known as rollers, tunnelers, and dwellers. With horns similar to rhinoceros beetles, the dung beetle fights its rivals to win the mating competition. It is found all around the world, except Antarctica due to extreme cold. As the name suggests, it feeds on the dung of other animals. 1. Anaconda. Anacondas are one of the deadliest and strongest animals in the world. There are 4 types of anacondas, from which green anaconda is the largest. It can be more than 9 meters long and can weigh up to 227 kilograms, making it the heaviest living snake in the world. Anaconda is a non-venomous snake and uses its own body as a weapon to squeeze the life out of its prey's body. It is reported to hunt several living things, having a body weight up to 250 kilograms, and is even capable to kill an alligator. After the kill, it swallows its dead prey. Thanks for watching.